To continue the new models line-up, after the 2022 CX-50 and CX-60, Mazda announced the reveal of the all-new 3-row seats flagship CX-90 in 2023 as 2024 model year SUV. It will have to replace the current Mazda CX-9. Today Mazda already showed us the first official teaser where we can see that the new CX-90 will receive a turbocharged inline-6 engine. It will also suggest that the new model will be offered with a plug-in hybrid powertrain. As for the design, we don't know how the interior could look like, probably something between CX-50 and CX-60, just a little bit wider. The exterior design is also not shown anywhere, no spy shots, no teasers, but as always we have spent some time to illustrate it following the design of the latest Mazda models. Please take a look and let us know if you like it. Welcome to our channel AutoYa Info, be sure you're subscribed for the new videos, let's go!